Hello, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue teaching you the pronunciation of some jobs in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words in English together. Please give it a try. Front desk clerk. Front desk clerk. Front desk clerk. Bellhop. 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 Hotel manager. Hotel manager. Hotel manager. Housekeeping. 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 Chef. 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 Sous chef. Sous chef. Sous chef. Dishwasher. 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 Waiter. 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 Waitress. 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 Hostess. 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 Valet. 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 Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.